If you're an active trader looking to increase the amount of money you trade with, I have urgent news. You can get $5,000 or more for your trading account. The hardest task an active trader has is to manage cash flow. Without using every technique available to earn a profit, you can quickly run out of funds to trade with. That's why Traders Accounting put together an eye-opening, easy-to-understand, 11-part video series about the business of trading. These videos cover what every successful trader needs to know, such as what business a serious trader like you needs, the best way to set up your trading business, wash sales and capital loss restrictions, business expenses you may not have thought of deducting, what mark-to-market is, and efficiently trading your own retirement money. These free videos show you how to get an IRS subsidy of $5,000 or more every year just by trading. It's easy to get our free videos, too. It's quick, easy, and safe, and there's no cost or obligation. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next page.
My name is Darrell Jobman. As the editor of Commodities Magazine and Futures Magazine in the 1970s and 1980s, I was exposed to a lot of good trading ideas from some of the most well-known traders in the trading business at that time. Of course, this was in the era BC, that is, before computers. It was a challenge enough then to get accurate and timely and reliable quotes and other data. I think probably the limitations we had on technical analysis at that point were some real basic things like moving averages and so forth. Generally, we were using paper charts, updating the charts every day by hand. But then along came the computer, first the Apple and then some of the others, then the IBM PC, which kind of opened the way for traders to begin using computerized power, beyond what was available with those who had the mainframe computers. One of the people that I became aware of at that point was Lou Mendelson. He had done some work with computerized technical analysis that so impressed me that I published 3 of his articles in 1983 in Futures Magazine. In those articles, he laid out the concept of strategy backtesting and optimization and explained how that would be able to help a trader understand whether his parameters were viable as a trading system. Without that, of course, they wouldn't know really whether they had a good trading system or not until they actually got into the market and were exposed to all the rigors of the market trading. And you want to know that kind of stuff before you get in to see whether your parameters are actually worthwhile to trade. His Profit Taker software that he introduced in 1983 was the first commercially available software for the personal computer that could do strategy backtesting and optimization, and served more as a benchmark for other developments in commodity software in the 1980s. Of course, that software did individual markets, kind of analyze how they would do, and then Lou's research moved on to the influence of related markets on each other in the globalized marketplace, and that led to his intermarket analysis studies and eventually led to his program called Vantage Point that he released in 1991. But of all these developers, there were a lot of developers of other programs that followed. I mean, we had the System Writer, and we had TradeStation, and we have lots of others that are common today. But at that point, we're just in the generation stage, just being conceived and released. So it always intrigued me as to why did these people develop the software? How did they do it? What sparked their imagination? What did they expect this software to tell them? How were they going to use it? There's a lot of different stories that the innovators have to tell, but those are stories that are best told by them themselves.